Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's quietly but powerfully reshaping the entire landscape of global finance. I'm talking about stablecoins. You might have heard the term, but the sheer scale of what's happening is mind-blowing. Let's get into it. So what's the big news? Well, get ready for this. The stablecoin market cap is projected to hit a staggering $1.93 trillion in 2025. Let that sink in for a moment. That's a 48% increase from the previous year. This isn't just some niche corner of the crypto world anymore. This is mainstream finance in the making. But what does that number actually mean in the real world? It means stablecoins have broken out of the trading pair box. They were no longer just a tool for crypto traders to move in and out of volatile assets. Today, they are being used for everything you can imagine. We're talking about companies paying their employees' salaries in stablecoins. We're seeing global supply chains settle massive invoices between suppliers using digital dollars like USDC and Tether. This is happening right now, streamlining international commerce and cutting out the slow, expensive middlemen of traditional banking. Think about the implications. A business in the US can pay a supplier in Argentina instantly without waiting days for a wire transfer to clear, without dealing with multiple currency conversions and exorbitant fees. The transaction is settled in minutes, sometimes seconds, with full transparency on the blockchain. This is a fundamental shift in how money moves around the world. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And it's why we're seeing major, household name companies beginning to integrate stablecoins into their treasury operations. The efficiency gains are just too significant to ignore. Now let's look at where this growth is exploding. One of the most exciting trends is the rapid adoption of stablecoins in emerging markets, particularly across Africa and Southeast Asia. In regions where local currencies can be unstable or access to traditional banking services is limited, stablecoins are providing a lifeline. They offer a stable store of value pegged to the US dollar and a gateway to the global digital economy. For millions of people, a smartphone is now their bank, and stablecoins are their currency. This isn't just a financial tool, it's a tool for economic empowerment, enabling cross-border commerce and remittances on a scale we've never seen before. It allows small business owners and freelancers to participate in the global market without the traditional barriers. And you know it's serious when the tech giants start moving in. Companies like Meta and Google are actively exploring the stablecoin space. They have the user base, the infrastructure, and the global reach to accelerate adoption exponentially. Their entry isn't just a validation of the technology, it's a sign that stablecoins are poised to become a part of our everyday digital lives, integrated into the platforms we already use for communication, social networking, and commerce. Imagine paying for goods within your favorite app using a stablecoin, seamlessly and instantly. That future is closer than you think. Of course, we can't talk about stablecoins without talking about DeFi, or decentralized finance. Stablecoins are the lifeblood of the DeFi ecosystem. They are the primary asset used for lending, borrowing, and yield farming. Currently, over $100 billion in stablecoins are locked up and actively being managed within DeFi protocols. They provide the stability needed for these complex financial applications to function, acting as the bedrock upon which this new, open financial system is being built. Without stablecoins, DeFi, as we know it, simply wouldn't exist. They are the bridge between the volatility of crypto and the stability required for real-world financial services. But the innovation doesn't stop there. We are witnessing a Cambrian explosion of new use cases for stablecoins. Think beyond just payments. Consider carbon credits. Companies are now using stablecoin-based platforms to buy, sell, and retire carbon credits with unprecedented transparency and efficiency. This makes it easier for businesses to meet their sustainability goals and contributes to a more verifiable and global market for environmental assets. And what about loyalty programs? Instead of earning points that are locked into a single company's ecosystem and often expire, what if you earned loyalty rewards in the form of a stablecoin? You could then spend them anywhere, save them, or exchange them for other currencies. This completely transforms the customer loyalty landscape, giving real, tangible value back to the consumer. These are not just theoretical ideas. These are applications being built and deployed today, all powered by the underlying technology of stablecoins. So what does all of this mean for the future? It means the very foundation of finance is being rebuilt, block by block, on rails made of stablecoins. The old systems, with their delays, high fees, and geographical limitations, are being challenged by a new paradigm that is global, instant, and open to everyone. This is more than just a new type of digital money. It's a fundamental upgrade to the world's financial operating system. The question is no longer if stablecoins will be a major part of the global economy, but how we will all adapt to this new reality. Are you, or is the company you work for, exploring how to integrate stablecoins? Are you thinking about how this could streamline your payments, manage your treasury, or create new products and services? The opportunities are immense, and those who start exploring them now will be the leaders of tomorrow's financial world. This is one of the most exciting transformations I've witnessed in my career, and it's happening at an incredible pace. The future of finance is digital, it's decentralized, and it's being built on stablecoins. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. How do you see stablecoins changing global commerce? Are you using them already? Drop your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about this incredible financial revolution. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss our next deep dive into the future of tech and finance. See you in the next one.